Dancing. I don't
Dancing?
have talent in singing.
Singing?
Dancing.
Can you show me?
Right now.
Come in. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I feel great.
Sit down here.
Okay, thank you.
유튜버가 되고 싶은 한 소녀가 있습니다. 그럼 같이 한번 만나보실까요?
Could you tell me what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Mika and I am 19 years old.
Where do you live?
I live at Parañaque, Tambo with my family.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a university student and right now I am currently working
What's work?
as a waitress in Korean seafood restaurant.
A seafood restaurant.
Yes.
How many family members do you have?
I have 6 family members, which is my mother, my stepfather, my niece, and my 2 elder sisters.
What's your major?
My major is business ed because I am interested in business and I am curious with it.
Do you want a business woman?
Yes, I wanted to build a business someday.
What do you want to do after graduation?
After I graduate college, I wanted to be a flight attendant and to save money and to build my own company.
Flight attendants, your dream job?
Yes, because I love the view of the sky and the clouds.
How about travel? Do you like a travel?
Yes, that is one of the reasons also. I love travel, so I wanted to be a flight attendant to go different places.
What are you interested in?
I'm interested in music
And music,
and dance also.
dance?
Yes.
What kind of music do you like?
K-pop music and Thai music, OPM Filipino music and hip-hop music.
Favorite Korean idol?
I think BTS and EXO.
BTS and EXO. Do you like a dance?
Yes, when I was high school, I always joined competitions and dance.
Oh, competition.
Yes.
Dancing or singing?
Dancing. I don't
Dancing?
have talent in singing.
Singing?
Can you show me?
Right now.
Can you speak Korean?
I cannot totally speak Korean, but I know some Korean words. Other
What's
words.
Korean?
I always hear it with K-drama because I always watching Korean drama. Like
Can you say some Korean?
yes. For example, 알았어,
알았어.
주발요.
제발요?
Yes.
어,
미안해.
미안해.
좋아해.
좋아해.
보고 싶어.
보고 싶어.
Like 아니, 용, 누나, like that.
어. You know? 제발요? 제발요? What's the meaning?
I think it's please.
Oh, right. Good. Have you ever tried Korean food before?
I don't think I'm. Is samgyeopsal is a Korean food?
Right. 삼겹살.
Yeah, I tried samgyeopsal. That's the only one that I eat.
And another.
I know.
Only 삼겹살?
Yes.
Do you like 삼겹살?
Yes.
What's your favorite Filipino food?
I like Filipino food, sinigang and tinulang manok.
티놀라
Manok.
티놀라 만옥.
Yes.
삼겹살 or sinigang?
Samgyeopsal.
What's your choice? 삼겹살? What's your ideal type?
I think my ideal type of a person is have a good personality.
Have a good personality?
Yes. Like
And?
a good person. But in the appearance, I don't care about the appearance. Just a
you don't
personality.
care about
Yes.
appearance.
Yes, just the personality of the person.
Rich but ugly, or kind but poor. What is your choice?
I choose kind and poor.
Hey, sure?
Yes, because I can, help also the person that I like.
What are your strengths or weakness?
My strength is I'm a hardworking person. I am a person with a passions. Everything that I want to do is with I do it with a heart.
How about weakness?
My weakness is sometimes when I meet other people, I am shy.
What is your concern about in your life recently?
Honestly, I'm concerned about right now about money. I want to save money for my college.
Tuition fee
Yes,
because of
to
tuition
pay
fee.
tuition fee.
Do you like watching YouTube?
Yes, I like watching YouTube.
What kind of channel?
I like watching mukbang videos.
Mukbang?
Yes, and some couple vlogs.
Couple vlogs?
Yes.
Do you have an interest in YouTube? Vlogger, and YouTuber?
I think I have. Yes, I am interested in YouTube.
From now on, we will introduce Philippine culture, food, travel spot for our subscribers. If you are interested, why don't you join us?
It's okay for me.
Do you like?
안녕하세요 여러분, 필브로입니다. 미카는 제가 3달 전에 이곳에 왔을 때 알게 되었는데요. 현재 필리핀 봉쇄 때문에 3달째 일을 못하고 있었고 지난주부터 일을 다시 시작하게 되었습니다. 미카가 현재 등록금을 위해 레스토랑에서 열심히 일을 하고 있고 시간이 될 때마다 드니스와 함께 만들 채널에 참여를 하게 되면 미카가 모으는 등록금에도 도움이 될 듯 해서 제가 제안을 해보았습니다. 그리고 편집이나 영상 제작에도 관심이 있다고 하니 시간이 될 때 찾아오면 드니스와 제가 가르쳐 주기로 하였습니다. 본인이 열심히 해보려고 한다면 꼭 도움이 되었으면 좋겠습니다. 오늘도 시청해 주셔서 감사합니다. 이상 필리핀에서 필브로였습니다.